name is John Tanoe of Green Point Nurseries here in Hilo. We are a family-operated business started by my late grandfather and my father, and it's a privilege to say that brothers and I are the third generation here. It's an honor to continue our grandfather's legacy and my parents as well. My grandfather started the company in 1976. We specialize in growing and shipping cut anthuriums, but we also supply tropical flowers and tropical foliages as well. Some of the anthuriums that we grow will include traditional heart-shaped anthurium going to tulip anthurium, or some may enjoy the obake large multicolored anthuriums. I'll show you some of the more popular ones. This lavender lady purple tulip anthurium. This is bred by the University of Hawaii. A lot of our varieties are bred by the University of Hawaii, so they help develop new varieties for our industry, which is very crucial in keeping our industry afloat. It's going to get challenging, but keeping the business going and continuing the legacy, that makes it more rewarding than anything else, I'd say. The Midori anthurium is still probably the most popular. Even though it looks like a leaf, just people can't get enough of the green. KTA Superstores is our home supermarket, so we like to support. We're very thankful for the community support they do, and that kind of relates to our family business as well. Our grandfather always reminded us to never forget where we came from and never forget our community. So we try to strive and do the same thing, and we're very appreciative of the help that KTA does for our island here in Hawaii.